Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's J.Fonte, the E is silent, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy stewed beef crockpot recipe. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. So right here, I just have the main ingredients that we're going to use for our crockpot recipe. This also excludes our dry ingredients, which I'll show later in the video. So the first thing we need is a spring onion or green onion, however you want to call it, white onion, 7 garlic cloves, and also a piece of thyme, spinach, potatoes, our diced beef, this is about 1 pound, homemade tomato paste that my partner made, and finally some chopped mango. Now, mango is a bit of an unconventional ingredient to add in a slow cooker stewed beef recipe. However, it's gonna add like this very rich ingredient of sweetness and also just this unique taste that you're gonna get. And the best thing about it is that you're not gonna taste the mango, but it's definitely gonna add something unique. So the first thing we wanna do is to begin prepping our vegetables. So we're gonna go ahead and start chopping our spring onions. Now we just want to go ahead and start chopping our half a white onion. You guys, if there's an easier method to chop onions, just let me know below in the comments. When it comes to chopping onions, I don't think I'm the greatest at it, but hey, I'm able to get the job done, right? Now we just want to start chopping our garlic. I always like to chop out the ends. I never felt like I added anything, and I noticed when I cook in the recipes, it doesn't really dissolve. So we're just going to go ahead and chop that and prep that, and then after we're done chopping the garlic, so we're going to go ahead and start chopping our spinach. Now you just want to chop your spinach. Also, a thing to note, it really all comes down to what size you want your vegetables to be chopped, so just use your own discretion and how you like your vegetables to be chopped and what size you like it. Now we're going to go ahead and chop our potatoes. Initially I showed 2 potatoes, but I realized because of the size of our crock pot, I decided to opt to use 1 instead. Now we want to start seasoning our meat. So here you just want to put your diced beef in a bowl or a pan, whichever that you choose, and now we're going to go ahead and start using our dry ingredients. Here I added about a tablespoon of salt. I would say about a tablespoon of white pepper. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. About a tablespoon of black pepper. Just a pinch of chili flakes. Just a pinch of ginger. Also a pinch of nutmeg. About 1 healthy tablespoon of oregano. And my favorite, dry mustard, Keen's dry mustard. We just want to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of dry mustard. A teaspoon of Worcester sauce. You don't want to add a lot, but you just want to add about a pinch of curry, or at least a teaspoon of curry. A tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. And now to liquefy, you can add some low-sodium broth or water. And here you just want to add about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And now we just want to start pulling out our thyme. How much thyme you want to put in is completely optional and up to your discretion. So now we're just gonna go ahead and mix that all in, and then we're gonna begin our next step. So now we just want to add in all the chopped vegetables that we prepared earlier into this pot, and then we're going to mix that all in together. This stewed beef has a lot of earthy ingredients, so if you're not someone who's into a very hearty stewed beef, this is actually really good. You're still going to get some hardiness because of the potatoes, but in terms of the ingredients, it's definitely very healthy because you have like the spinach and a lot of fresh ingredients in there that we're going to be putting in the slow cooker. And the ingredients come together absolutely wonderful. Now we just want to transfer everything that we mixed in the bowl into our crock pot. We're just going to go ahead and add some of our tomato paste. And just a little bit of water to help liquefy it. And now for our mangoes. Again, the mangoes are dissolving, so you're not going to bite into it and get chunks of mangoes when you bite into this meal, because once it's in the slow cooker, it's all going to dissolve into the meat, into our pot, into our flavors. And trust me, like, this is a secret ingredient, so it definitely adds a very unique appeal to it, and it tastes absolutely amazing. And time for good luck. Alright, so you just want to cover your slow cooker. You want to put it on high for about 8 hours, and then again on low for about 1 hour or 2 hours. Alright, 8 hours is up, and this is the final result. So all of the flavors here just completely melded in together, and this is our stewed beef recipe, and it's completely easy to do. You can easily marinate this meat the night before, and if you're going to work the next morning, you just put this in a slow cooker. By the time you get home, it's going to be done. And as you can see, there's no mango in sight because the mango completely dissolved into this crock pot, and it just merged with all the flavors. And here is the final product, and this is our slow cooker stewed beef recipe. You guys, when me and my partner tried this, it was absolutely delicious. And the mango just added a sense of flavor that is both unique. Trust me, if anyone was to try this stewed beef, they're gonna ask you, what did you put in this? Because it's just a lot of flavors that they've never really had before in stewed beef. And it's just this unique subtleness to it that's just absolutely amazing. And the key to it is mango and pepper. There you have it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Make sure to like and leave a comment below. This is J.Fonte signing out.